Right, so for those of you wanting a good case for the base iPads, I do want to review the ESR case I found for £6, which, by the way, fun fact, is actually cheaper than the bloody adapter for the pencil. But anyways, yeah, this should be pretty good. ESR's cases are usually solid. And for those wondering, can you use iPad Air cases with this new base iPad? Unfortunately not, because of course the iPad Air and the iPad Pro do of course have the smart connectors on the back. That's how it magnetically connects, whereas this has the smart connector on the sides. So if you put it in this case, which I'll do right now, if this flap comes off, there we go. Horrendous color combo, by the way, blue and yellow, but anyways, this won't stay in place. I don't want to drop it, but it won't stay in place because there is no magnetic attraction. Well, there is a light attraction, but it's not holding it strong enough. So yeah, basically you can't use iPad Air 4 or 5 cases with this new base iPad, even though the dimensions are mostly the same. So yes, this will need a new separate case, and that's what we have from ESR, so let's delve into it. Right, so delving into the packaging, we have a flap at the top. Let's open this. There we go. And inside should be the protective case for this new base iPad. Now, of course, this does wrap around the sides, unlike the iPad Air case I showed you guys, because of course there is no smart connect on the sides, so you can't get one of those cases that don't wrap around the sides like the iPad Air has. And to be honest, I do prefer this because it does protect the sides of the device, though I will mention that case manufacturers did expect Apple Pencil 2 support on this, that's why there's a cutout on the sides, but that was not the case. Apple did something completely stupid instead. But anyways, yeah, this is the case. Pretty regular black case. We have a tutorial, but we should not need that. It's a pretty simple case, and obviously some protection for the case in the packaging. But let's put this to the sides, and then we'll take a look at the case. Now, by the way, in case you're wondering, this does come in different colors, though I don't believe they match the iPad 10 colors, so if you care about that, you might have to get something else. Though there is a massive advantage with getting black, and that's the fact this won't get dirty over time. So of course, if you're going to use a case for years, I would get black and not a lighter color. Anyways, let's put this on the actual iPad. So this is a hard shell material, by the way, so it should be pretty sturdy and should give you pretty good protection. So yeah, let's get the iPad like this and then put it in. There we go, and boom, we have successfully put the case on, and that is a very nice combo. Black and yellow. Oh, okay, so it is a translucent case. You can see the yellow a bit. It looks fine. Honestly, like, it's not that bad. At the end of the day, this will age a lot better than lighter colors, and it's not actually a cloth material. It seems to have more of a leather texture to it, so I do appreciate that. It's probably fake leather, but to be honest, for the price, I do like this. But of course, the big thing with this style of case is the fact you can prop your iPad up like this and just watch content. It's pretty nice, and obviously you can also prop it up like this and use the Apple Pencil with this iPad. So yeah, that's about it. Obviously, I'm not doing a drop test on this. Now, for those wondering if the iPad automatically wakes, let's see that. And boom, yes it does. That's pretty nice. Yeah, this pretty much fits the bill for an iPad case, and it's why I always go for cheaper offerings like this compared to Apple smart folio cases. They're just not worth it, especially when, of course, this basically does the same for much less. I will say though, I'm not a fan of the chrome finish here and the ESR branding. I wish there was no branding on this, though the cutouts are pretty perfect, as you can see. Those are pretty good. The buttons on the sides, pretty clicky. So yeah, pretty solid case. Highly recommend this, especially for the price. Anyways, if you have any questions regarding this case, let me know in the comments. But on that note, thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And on that note, see ya, peeps.